The large oak tree overhanging the stables. Quite a bit of rot at the bottom. It's not too bad. You can just about see the river there. I'll show you later on the video. It's grown right up on the bank, and just in case the bank fails. So I'm going to strip this side of the tree first, and then I'll use this as an anchor point, and I'll go over to the other side and I'll rig it down. Oh, later on. I told you that was going to be a heavier one.
We have him on the end of it.
Right, take a stack on it, just keep it good and tight. Just keep it good and tight until it comes right round. Goes. Just a view of where I'm having my lunch. Ready? It'll get better if lower down again. There you go. Okay, I'll do the hard way. Keep going, yeah, keep winching.
Keep her going.
Keep her going, she's sitting up now, don't be stopping.
Come on.
Probably a shitload of holding wood in it, but fuck it. Rather that than not.
Yeah.
Yeah, you hear all sort of fibre sticking on it. Yeah, well. Sound.
Keep winching.
Fucking wedges. Yeah, and it wasn't straight, but I don't mind that. That's giving more to hold on with.
Okay, do so.
Oh yeah, it wasn't that rotten now, fair.
No.
But still, like, if it was me, I'd be happier with the tree gone now, wouldn't be?
That's a fucking pig.
You're one of my eyes. You look at me funny when I said put the van on it.